Hi, my name is Clemens and today I'm going to show you how to create a basic input form module with UNOY. Log onto your UNOY account and you will find yourself at the UNOY dashboard, at your dashboard. Click New Module to create a new module. Give it a name. We will call it input form. Add a description if you want. This is an input form, and you can also add an image. Upload an image and press Create Module. Your module will be created and you will be forwarded directly into your module. Press Edit Module to make changes or work on your module. At the beginning, your module will only consist of a start node because every module needs a start, and we will add a new node to it, and this will be the page node. Page nodes are the part of your module that your users can interact with, and when you create it, it only consists of a submit button, but we will add new elements. And here you can see what elements you can add. And we will begin with an HTML field to address our user and to say hi. So just click on the HTML field and it will be created automatically. And you can add images, videos, links, or just text, anything that you could add to an HTML field. Let's say, hi, this is an input form we made for you. Please enter your data below. Let's give this a heading to make it a little bit more interesting. Press save. And we will add the next element. And this will be a text input field. We will call this first name. If you want to add a caption, we press caption. And if you want to add a placeholder, we press placeholder. And here it will say John. And we can also add a description that says, please enter your first name. For example, press save, and we will add another text input element because we want to ask for the last name of our user. So we call this last name. We make this a caption and we add a description. Please enter your last name, and also a placeholder. Press save, and we will press preview and to check what we've done. And here you can see this is the header we set in the HTML field. Here is our first input field and the input field for the last name, and that's our submit button. And we can now also add a date input field ask for our user's birthday. So we will call this birthday, and a caption. We say here, please enter your date of birth. Choose a format. Let's choose this, and we will accept all timestamps. By pressing optional, you could make it optional, but we want it to be mandatory. I don't think we need a placeholder, and no description. And if we want to check if how our changes look, we can do that by clicking preview. But it's important that you save your changes before you do that. Otherwise, you will not see them. So we press save, press preview, and there we are. This works as well. All right, and now the last element we want to add in this tutorial is a select box. So this is the select element, and you can add options your users will be able to select. You can, if you want to add free text, you just press free text, but you can also refer to system variables or reference users' inputs, but you will learn that in another tutorial. For now, we want to set the options ourselves, so we select free text, and we, let's say, woman, and another free text, man, and probably other. All right, press save. And let's see what we've done. Press preview, and you will get a preview. And here you can see this is our select box. We're probably missing a caption. So we add a caption and say, please choose your select your gender. We will not need a description. We could allow a multi-select, but we won't need it here. And what I want to show you, that there's an advanced section, so you can change the responsiveness, the style. What is important though for the select box at this moment, we can make it a drop-down menu. And let's see how this looks. Press save again. Press preview. And here you can see this is now a drop-down menu. All right. Since we created all the elements we need for our input form, we will now close the module by adding a result node. Every module needs a result node to work. Like it needs a start node, it also needs an end node, and this is the result node. And you can also add elements in the result node, and I will add a HTML field that will say thank you for using UNOY. And if you need more help, please leave us a message. Press save, preview, So your user will be saluted. I'll add my first name, my last name. I can enter my date of birth. This will be some around here. I select my gender. I press next, and I'm on the result page. And this is also the end of our tutorial. I hope I could help you. Thank you for using UNOY, and if you need more help, please leave us a message and we will come back to you. Thank you.